Thought for the day. The start is what stops most people. What it means is we often think of doing big work or big things, but we do not start. At times, when we think of doing something great, we find that lot of things have to be done to achieve it. And so we never begin, we never start. But instead of climbing all together, what it means is we should climb step by step and take the first initial step now. So, the start is what stops the most of the people. With this thought, let us start with the exercise of the chapter Static Electricity. Fill in the blanks. Choose the correct option. There is dash between like charges. So there is always repulsion. Dash is responsible for generation of electric charge in an object. It is displacement of negative charge. A lightning conductor is made of a copper strip. Of course, because copper is a good conductor of electricity. Dash does not get electrically charged easily by rubbing plastic. There is dash when opposite electric charges come near each other. It is always attraction. A charged object can be detected with an electroscope. Explain why it is not safe to go out with an umbrella when there is heavy rain, lightning and thunder. Generally, the central rod of an umbrella is metallic with a pointed tip at the upper extremity. Moreover, the ribs of an umbrella are also made up of metals. When there is heavy rain along with the lightning and thunder, the lightning strike can be attracted towards the umbrella. This attraction is between the opposite charges on the cloud and the umbrella. Since our body is a good conductor of electricity, we may get a forceful shock. This can be lethal too. In order to avoid such a hazard, it is not safe to go out with an umbrella when there is heavy rain. How will you protect yourself from lightning? In order to protect oneself, the shelter should be taken in a house that has lightning conductor. How are the charges generated? When two objects are rubbed against each other, the negative charge on one of the object is transferred to the other object, making the second object to acquire negative charge. The first object becomes positively charged due to loss of negative charge. In the lightning conductor, what provision is made for spreading the electricity into the ground? Whenever an electrically charged cloud passes over the building, the electric charges try to flow towards the building due to difference in their charge. Clouds have the negative charge while the building has a positive charge. The force of attraction thus acts and lightning may fall down on the building. But these currents are conducted into the ground through the copper strip of the lightning conductor. The damage to the building is thus prevented. Children, here you will also draw the figure of lightning conductor from the textbook. Why do farmers stick an iron staff into the ground while working in the field in rainy conditions? An iron staff works like a lightning conductor. The lightning conductor is a device used for protection from a lightning strike. Farmers generally have iron staff with them, and iron is a good conductor of electricity. So farmers stick an iron staff into the ground while working in the field in rainy conditions. Why is lightning not seen every day during the rainy season? When there is electric charge produced on a very large scale, then only there is possibility of lightning. Rest of the times, such conditions may not be there. Therefore, lightning is not seen every day during the rainy season. What are the characteristics of a static electric charge? The characteristics of static electric charge are: the charge is developed only when friction occurs. The charge developed after rubbing two unlike objects is equal and of different types, that is positive and negative. The combined total of both the charges is 0. The static electric charge is of short duration. What is the damage caused by lightning? How will you create awareness to prevent it? Damage caused by lightning. There is great damage to the trees, building, etc. The trees burn and the property is destroyed. The electrical equipments in the house become useless. The awareness to prevent the damage. One should not move out of the house when there is thunder and lightning. People should be made aware about the safety during such times. They should not go into the water. One should not stand under a tree or go to the open spaces and heights. The lightning conductors should be installed in all buildings. The disaster management should be known to people. With this, we complete our exercise. So complete your copies, children, and keep them up to date. Thank you.